Welcome to Woodlands Manor in Calgary. Find comfort and relaxation with Woodlands Manor. Located in Calgary's desirable community of Woodlands, enjoy weekends exploring all that life has to offer. Conveniently close to parks and green spaces, shopping, restaurants, schools, and other amenities, life with Woodlands Manor is waiting for you. Pet-friendly communities. 24-hour resident service. 3-day maintenance turnaround. Professional cleaning and landscaping. On-site management team. And even more, benefits that make renting with us simple. 1 dash and 2-bedroom upgraded and deluxe suites. Spacious living rooms. Suites come with appliances such as a stove and fridge. Dishwasher available. In-suite storage. Balcony with outdoor space. Heat and water included. Quick access to parks and trails. Short drive to Elbow Drive, McLeod Trail, Glenmore Trail, and Crowchild Trail. Easy access to public transit and pedestrian friendly. Short distance to Fish Creek Park Glenmore Reservoir. Nearby fitness and recreation facilities such as Southland Leisure Centre. Close to South Centre Mall and Chinook Mall.